This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stopping the system from deciding brightness for you. First, go straight to display and power settings and toggle off adaptive or auto brightness. This prevents sensor-driven jumps. Once done, open any manufacturer display app, Dell, HP, Samsung, and disable its ambient light options too. Make sure you pick a consistent power profile. Battery saver and adaptive plans can override manual levels. Doing this first removes software auto adjustments, so manual level changes will hold, and you can proceed to deeper fixes. Now, refine control by updating and calibrating. You should install the latest display and GPU drivers. Outdated firmware often triggers erratic brightness behavior. Next, calibrate brightness using the OS calibration tool or the Monitor OSD so the nominal level is precise. If your device still changes, inspect sensor permissions and background apps that read ambient light. On Windows, you can disable the light sensor in Device Manager. On mobile, revoke sensor access for apps. These steps stop software-triggered changes and stabilize the display. To finish, lock in your chosen brightness and verify it holds. Use Power Plan Advanced Settings or a small utility to enforce a fixed level. On Windows, a registry tweak can block adaptive overrides. Restart and test under different user accounts and in safe mode so you isolate software conflicts. If the display still shifts, suspect hardware, gently clean the ambient light sensor area or disable the sensor entirely in Device Manager. If hardware is faulty, contact service. This troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.